in this video. Bitcoin has finally started forming the next pattern which we are going to trade. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's first discuss yung previous analysis natin before we dive in sa current price action. So, diba sa previous analysis, what I've been telling you guys is we have a pretty clear resistance playing around the 64,700 US dollars. And then, diba sabi ko sa inyo, it's much better for us to wait that one out before entering into any new trades. Because as you can see, this is a clear resistance. And initially, we started breaking to the upside, but as you can see, that led into a fake out. So right now, we are now going to have furthermore consolidation dito with the Bitcoin price action. However, there is a good sign that is forming right now, which is this falling wedge forming. So falling wedge is traditionally a bullish pattern to the upside. And as you can see, in the hourly time frame, nag-form na tayo ng bullish divergence wherein the price is declining while RSI is increasing. So those are traditionally good signs of a bullish movement dito kay Bitcoin. And also, if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, you will find na meron din tayong 4-hour time frame bullish divergence. Bullish cross. So right now, there are a lot of signs telling us that we might see a potential bullish movement dito for the Bitcoin price action going back to the 65.2K. So ito yung magiging target niya dito, 65.2K. So right now, I've opened a small long position dito with the Bitcoin price action. And then what I'm going to do dito is if magkaroon na tayo ng breakout to the upside dito, if magkaroon na siya ng breakout, then I will add more to my long position. Then I will be targeting 65,200 US dollars dito with the Bitcoin price action. So that is what I am going to do with my latest trade dito with the Bitcoin price action. Zooming out in the 4-hour time frame, ayun, sa stochastic RSI, meron tayong bullish cross, but wala tayong clear indicators in the RSI other than in the hourly. And as you can see, we are more roughly consolidating lang dito kay Bitcoin. So that is not bad. We can still trade the pump and dump ditong movement na to. So that is what I am going to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action for the time being. Zooming out to daily time frame, let's try to use this stochastic RSI chart. Daily time frame, you can see na we have formed a bearish cross dito sa stochastic RSI. But as you can see, ayun na, may bearish cross sa stochastic RSI. But as you can see, matagal na siya nagpe-play out, so it might end the bearish momentum. So baka potentially mag-shift na siya into bullish and so at some point soon. But yeah, that is what we are currently monitoring dito with the Bitcoin price action. Looking at this in the weekly time frame, hindi pa siya nagkakaroon ng bearish cross sa stochastic RSI, so abang-abang pa din tayo dyan. So pretty much a lot of things na kailangan abangan, but for the time being, ang pinakang crucial dito ngayon na nag-form is this short-term bullish divergence. So that's what we are going to trade first with the Bitcoin price action. Siguro just some additional note, another take profit area na you could target is 64,300 US dollars. That could be a target na which you could set for a first TP. Then second take profit would be the 65,200. So that is what I am going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action. But anyway, that's all the update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.